I will tell anybody that asks me about knee replacement, it has definitely changed my retirement and the rest of my life. Because when I look back at the last 5 years, I've had to give up golfing. I have given up so many things that I normally do, even taking care of a garden.
The relief of not having the knee pain was just unbelievable. Difference of night and day. The sounds that the knee was making is gone. Pain is not there, and like I say, I'm more than happy.
I was a nervous wreck, but Sean was fantastic. She talked me through it. Dr. Williams was fantastic and told me they would take good care of me, and they did.
It's the personal connection at SPO that it makes it a world of difference. It changes your life. It brings some of your youth back again.